I want make you see me. Share it on the video.
The video.
So my people, I see this boy. The thing amazes me. Me I shock. I swear that me I shock. Bring that as making them say everything, So I say make this boy come, make I show and say talent day. What he built here now is what we call excavator. Excavator is a machine used in demolition of building and other things. So if you are watching this video, like, comment and share. Share this video. If you don't have any support to give, just share this video. Share as many times as you can. Share to any place you want to share to. Let people support this guy. This guy is so talented. You can see all the movement is real, giving us good sound. So you have to share. Just support this guy by sharing, because through your sharing it may get to people that will support this guy financially and otherwise. Support your fellow African. He's an African boy, African man. Support him. If you like what you see here, share this video. Just continue sharing this video. Share this video. He just built this excavator through scratch. So let's support anyhow, any means you know you can support this guy. Support him. People need to see this. Akuata. Hey, can you see? Jesus is Lord. Where the camera, beg. Appreciation. Hey, let me now go out. Don't mind these children, they distract. It's okay, my boy. Don't try. You say now which class you dey? SS1. You dey see him? The guy there SS1. He don construct this kind thing. SS1 construct all this kind thing. In the next 5 years, this guy now will on our row lessons 350. How people on Igbo? Igbo come now, so I can show him love. So now for which school they go? Around 7. Example. Which school? Because me, I Roya. For Roya, they learn this thing.
No. I've been just doing it. I just do one.
Like wait, bring the camera, bring the mic. You just dey do am.
Like this one not be the first one why they do. I don't construct one kind of roof like that. So they open self, when they close, when they move front and back, left and right.
You dey see am?
This one not be the first one.
You know be
this one are the latest, so I don't do.
Okay, you dey hear am? They don build open roof where they open, they close, they move, they turn around. But now this one, this one now be the latest where we say, I really thank God for this kind of thing where you do. Like, I have joy, say my fellow Igbo, Akuyota, they do this kind of thing. I can't know say God love us. Now we be the most blessed talent. And you're welcome, bro. More blessing, more wisdom, more knowledge to come.